Hi, recently I have taken this Flipkart VIP membership by paying 499 rupees and Flipkart sent me this. So let's unpack and unbox and see what all things are there inside this box. So in this box there is of course some surprise for me, and let's open and see. So there's one more box. Flipkart VIP membership card. It's quite solid, huh? Very good. Oh, let's open this. So here, what is that? It's a coffee face wash. We also have a small, not able to figure it out. It's ultra nourishing cream mask and a wow Himalayan rose lactic acid body lotion. So these are the three things which comes in this box, and I should thank Flipkart for sending this, though I was not expecting any of this because I thought this VIP membership is only paying the cost and then taking the facilities which I'll be getting in future for 1 year. But anyway, thank you so much. Thank you Flipkart.